वर्कशॉप में होस्ट करूंगी तो मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती। हेलो, हेलो एवरीवन। जो लोग मुझे नहीं जानते हैं, खास
Martha, could you please stop your video recording? Everyone, could you guys please stop your video recordings? Bhaskar, please stop your video recording. Please switch off your webcam. Can you hear me, guys? Can you guys hear me? Is it okay with you, Bhaskar? Can you hear me now?
Yes, madam, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay, so please, guys, if you can see a video sign, just mute yourself and just stop your video recordings. Your video is not required. In fact, it is disturbing others too, but that's showing on a main screen. So just please switch off. Jitendra, Bhaskar and Gurmeet, please switch off your videos.
Madam, I have not found it. How to switch it off?
Okay, let me do that for you. Okay, done. I have done it for everyone now. Okay, so let's move ahead, guys. Okay, so hope my screen is visible, right? Everybody can see that, right? Is it visible? Okay, so can I ask you guys who did not attend last session of PPC? Because today I'm gonna take second class of PPC. So with better understanding, it is compulsory to take first class. So how many of you have taken first class that have taken on Monday? who did not attend first class of PPC on Monday? Nobody. Okay, cool. So let's start the session quickly. So guys, what we have done last Sunday, we have done Google AdWords. Yeah, if you have option, then you can do that, Gurmeet. If you have that option, then you can do that. I don't think so you have that option. Do you have an option? Okay. So no problem. In case if you want to take another class, you can take a repeat session if you feel that some doubts are there. I'll give you the backup class because we don't share video recordings with students. Okay, so let's start the session quickly. What we have done is we have done search engine marketing in the last session, right? So I taught you how can you run advertisement on Google search. So if I talk about advertisement, I taught you how can, when your customer search buy shoes or any keyword that you want, right? Any keyword that your customer will search, your website come on the first page, even on the top 3 links, right? So these are the paid ad that what we have taught, what I have taught you in the last class, right? So let's move ahead. What we left with, I told you guys that I start with the advanced SEM and then we'll move ahead with display advertisement. So in search network, we have done how you can create an account, how you can create a campaign, how you can create ad groups, and how you can create ads for your website or for your business. Do you guys have any doubt so far? You want me to explain you any terminology, what is account, anything? No, okay. Cool. So let's move ahead. So today I'll tell you what is external links, right? Ad extensions, we call that. So guys, last time when we created an advertisement, you guys must have seen that we don't have option to add more characters in the description. Okay, we were bound with the limit of 30 characters. Do you guys remember that when we were creating advertisement in the last class? So we were bound with the limit of 30 characters by writing a description for an advertisement. But here I can see the description is little long, okay, and some extra links are also there, right? So the extra links and the extra thing that you add in your advertisement, we call it ad extensions. I just write that word for you. We call it ad extensions. Okay. So whatever any extra information you provide in your advertisement in form of text, in form of links, that is ad extension. Okay. So we have a different type of ad extensions. Now, let me explain you why ad extensions are important. Ad extensions are important because Google gives importance to ad extension. If you add any extension in your advertisement, Google consider it a high quality advertisement, a good format advertisement, and Google gives you the first position most of the time. Okay, right? So Google will improve your position basically, right? What do you mean by improve your position? Because you are also running an advertisement and other vendors are also running advertisement. Okay, so there is a competition in the market. On one keyword, there are a number of people running the advertisement. What I want is Google shows 3 advertisements. My advertisement should come on the top. This is what I want, right? How my website should come on the first link or the first position. Okay, so how Google gives you the first position in the paid advertisement. So Google gives you the first position on the basis of quality score. Okay, so what is quality score, guys? Google gives you a score between 0 to 10. Okay, right. So Google gives you a score. Oh, right. So the higher the score is, the better is for you, right? So let's suppose if you have 10 score, you'll surely come on the first position. That your advertisement is really, really good. अब गूगल किस बेसिस पे ये क्वालिटी स्कोर देता है? There are 4 factors, right? Number 1, price, right? But sometimes that happens, and it is really possible you pay less amount than other person, lesser amount, but still your advertisement will come on the first position if you will follow the other things. Format of the ad, okay? CTR, that means click-through rate. Landing page experience. And ad relevancy. Okay. Now price, of course, if you pay high, you will surely come on the first page. But sometimes it is not important that if you're paying high, you will only come on the first position. If you have a low quality score, Google will not give you the first position out of 3 advertisements. So need to maintain this. Now let me explain you format of the advertisement. आपका advertisement कैसा दिख रहा है? That's why we add ad extensions. Okay, and it's completely free. Click-through rate means let's suppose 10 people have seen your advertisement. Out of 10, how many people clicked on your advertisement? So if you have high click-through rate, you'll get a high quality score. अगर लोग सिर्फ आपकी ad को देख रहे हैं, they're not clicking on your advertisement, that means your advertisement is not relevant to those people and they're not happy with that. Right? They're not liking it. That's why Google will reduce your position and give you 3rd position in that case. Okay. Landing page experience means you should paste your related keywords on your landing page. I give you a good example. Let's suppose this is one advertisement all about fashion. So the keywords should be shoes online. It should be there on the landing page. Okay, and it is good for your SEO also. So वो keywords वहाँ पे होने चाहिए. Let's suppose if you are running advertisement for Nike shoes, तो Nike shoes आपके page पे होना चाहिए. Now what people does is they create an advertisement for Nike shoes and they send their customer to the broad category और पूरी category में Nike shoes नहीं होता. Local shoes होते हैं. That leaves a bad impact. Getting my point? If you are running advertisement for Nike shoes, it should be there on your website. Ad relevancy means if you're promising people 20% discount or anything you're promising. Let's suppose if I'm promising my customer that top under 499, right? Girls top under 499. But when they click on the advertisement, they come to my website, I don't have a single top that I'm selling in 499. So Google will give me low quality score. Am I clear with that? So once you follow all these 4 instructions, by paying a less price also, Google will give you a good position. Okay. Am I clear? Anybody has any doubt? Anyone? Okay. So if you don't have down, then it's good. Let's move ahead. Now, how can we add ad extensions in my website? And it's completely free, of course. You don't need to pay any extra amount for that. But anyway, if any of your visitor click on these link, then you will pay. Okay, the same amount that you're paying for the entire advertisement. The other benefit of these ad extensions are, so let's suppose I'm running a campaign on buy shoes, right, on this keyword. Now here I have added my another links as well, woman casual. So let's suppose if woman is searching buy shoes, and if she's interested in that, she can click it. So I can advertise my other pages as well along with my one advertisement. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Anyone? आशीष, जितेंद्र, शायद, सोनी, everybody? Guys, I can't hear you. If you are not getting what I'm teaching you, please let me know. Guys, can you hear me? Okay, so do you guys have any doubt? Yes, sir, your cam is closed. PPC, guys. PPC is the topic. Okay, so guys, how can you create these ad extensions, these extra links? How can you do that? Let's go to your Google AdWords tool. So here on the left hand side, you can see all the campaigns that we have created. So choose your campaign that you have created. So I have created a campaign on Monday, that is 20th. So table, that is what we have created. So select your campaign. On the right hand side, once you select your campaign, on the right hand side, you can see add extension. Okay. Just click on the extension button tab. Right. Here you can see the new extension tab. So once you click over there, you can create an extension for your advertisement. Here you can choose which extension you want to create. So let me explain you one by one. Site link extension. If you will choose this, what you can do is you can create extension like this. Extra link आप अपने other pages का link generate कर सकते हो in your advertisement. Okay, so I have created an advertisement for table. So मैंने ऊपर से site link extension select किया. From here I'll select extension. Right. So here I'll click on new extension. So यहाँ पे मैं link में लिख दूंगी sofa and here I'll give my sofa का page. Okay, and I'll click on save. So sofa extension add हो गया. So now my audience will be able to see it like this. उनको ऐसे sofa दिखेगा. Once they click, they will land to sofa का page. But if they click over there, they'll land to table का page. Am I here, guys? Any doubt you guys have? Okay. So the second extension is that we have is call out extension. Now what is call out extension is? I show you an example. Okay, so before giving you an example, so guys, there are extra description that you can write. You can write your USP over there. Write up USP, like so let's suppose free shipping, 15 days policy, these kind of extra USP in 2-3 words if you want to add in your advertisement without link, then you can go with call out extension. So can you see that, guys? So they have added extra call out. So call out extension means when you force your people to do some certain activity and you add certain extra USP in your advertisement. So can you see that? Configure HR platform, dedicated account manager. So what we are doing, in few words, we are writing our USP. So let's suppose I have an e-commerce website. I should write 15 days return policy, easy shipment, free shipping, right? COD, unique selling point. What is the unique point? Why people should go with you? What is the unique point of your website? I mean, benefits of your product. Clear? Okay, so this is about how you can attain. Then structure snippet. Structure snippet means you can increase the size of your ad description. So abhi we see an advertisement is 1 line 30 characters. So you can add more 30 characters in your advertisement. आप एक और पूरा line लिख सकते हो. Can you see extra 2 lines I've added over there? So this is what structure instruction is. So here they are showing the difference. This is one structure extension and another one is a call out one. Clear? And this is the one which is with the link, that is site link. Doubt, guys? Any doubt you guys have? The process is same, just select structure and then click on add extension and then you can create new structure snippet. Okay, and you can write your description over there. Okay, another one is call extension. So guys, have you ever noticed, have you ever seen those kind of advertisements when you see call button, once you click, you just get connected? I mean, Google just dial a call to your customer. I mean, to your to the website people. Have you ever noticed that? Right. So in this extension, what they do is they add a small button in the advertisement, right? And once your customer will click on that button, you will receive a call on your phone. So rather than people go to your website, वो आपको सीधा call करेंगे. Okay. This extension is only valid for mobile phones and tablets. Can you see that? So this is how you can create this extension. I teach you how can you do that. Just select your extension and click on the extension tab. You just need to give your phone number here. Right. So click on a new phone number and you can give your number over there. Just select your country and then you can give a phone number here. Right. So you can add your number here. Now, if anybody will click on that tab, you will receive a call on this number that you're writing over there. कोई doubt है किसी को? Anyone? Then I have stopped that. Okay, so let's move ahead, guys. So this is call extension. The another one is message extension. Similarly, getting a call, you can get message also on your phone, and you can chat with your customer. Local extension, right? Again, over here in the message extension, you can give your phone number. But rather than getting a call, you will receive a message from your customer. They can directly message you. Local extension is an extension in which you can give your address and location. You can share it with your customer. I show you a good example. Yeah, so something like that. Right, so your location, phone number will be there. Your PIN code will be there. So this is what location extension is. Doubt, guys? Affiliate location extension we'll do once we'll do affiliate marketing. Price extension, right? So in this extension, you can add price, other products price over there. Let's suppose you are running an advertisement on table, so you can also show the price of sofa and coffee table. How this is what you can do. I show you a good example over there, and then I'll teach you how you can create that. Yeah, so this is it visible, everyone? So this is how you can showcase your product prices. Is it visible? Okay, let me open it. Okay. Yeah, is it clear now? So they have run advertisements from other keyword, but they are showing price for other products as well, right? Similar products, but other. Right, this is how you can show your price extension. It's very simple to create that. Select price extension from here and click on the extension tab. Right, just click on the new price extension button. Right, so from here you can select the language and the type. You're doing it for product category or product items or for services. You can select it from here. You can choose the currency as well in which you want to show your price, INR or USDs. And here you can write the header. I mean the heading of, let's suppose, sofa or coffee table. Here you can write a price, let's suppose 10,000. And here you can write a per hour, per unit. Let's suppose you are running this advertisement for services, then you can select per hour or per day, or if you're running it for product, then no unit. Okay, and the URL of that particular product. So this is how you can create. So it will look like that. Sofa 10K, variety of fabrics, and you can add many more. Is it clear, guys? Any doubt? Okay. Superb, guys. Okay. So price extension, app extension, similarly, you can add a link of your application, right? So I show you an example. Yeah, so this is how you can give a link of your application, and will click on that, they'll land to Play Store and they can download it, or iOS, whatever link you will give over there. Right? Then review extension, you can showcase your reviews that the people have given you, right? So this is review extension. So I show you how it will look like. It's also very easy to add in review extension. Right? So this is how it will look like. Hands down the best equipment for the course. This is how you can showcase that what people are saying about you on your website, and you can give your website link or other website link where they are talking about your where they have submitted the review. Any doubt in review extension? Okay. So for an example, you have a restaurant, right? Now, have you ever heard about Zomato? It's popular in India. Okay, so Zomato is a website where people submit their reviews about different restaurants. Okay, so Zomato पे किसी ने आपके रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में अच्छा सा रिव्यू दिया, right? So what you can do is, suppose let me open one restaurant. So let's suppose this is one restaurant जिसके बारे में, so this is my restaurant, let's suppose, and I'm running advertisement for this restaurant, right? So somebody has given a very good review on Zomato. Zomato is not my website. My website is out of the box. So Zomato पे किसी ने अच्छा review दिया. I want to showcase this review to in the advertisement. Okay. So this is the review. Oh, bad rating. So this is the review. Good review. So what I'll do, I'll copy this review. उसका एक आधा line, I'll just copy that. Right. So I'll go and click review extension and select extension. Right, I'll click on a new review. Here I'll write the text. Text means what people have said about me. I just wrote it over there. Source, वो कौन सी website से मैंने लिया? Zomato से. So I'll write Zomato's name over there. And link. Because Zomato का link would be really long, so I'll give that link over there. Link won't be visible to your visitor, but once they click on Zomato, they land to that particular page, और उनको वो पूरा review दिख जाएगा. They will consider it as a genuine review. Now clear? Okay, guys. So this is about advanced search campaigns. That these are the things that you can do with your campaigns, right? Search campaign. Now only half an hour left. So if I start with display campaign, it will actually take more 1.5 hours. So let's do it in the next class. I just end today's class over here only, right? You guys practice that. This is also really, really important. So in the next class, I'll start display advertisement. Okay.
मैडम
नहीं गुरमीत, इससे Zomato का बैकलिंक क्रिएट नहीं होगा because that is an advertisement. Yeah, Mr. Bhaskar, please tell me.
मैडम इन दिस कैंपेन ये जो अपने एक्सटेंशन वाला करते हैं वो क्या एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेबल रहता है क्या?
नहीं, एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस नहीं है. मैंने आपको पढ़ाने से पहले बताया, these extensions are not chargeable. No extra money you need to pay. आप जितने पैसे उस ऐड के लिए दे रहे हैं वो भी क्लिक के उतने ही पैसे आप दोगे when anybody will click on your advertisement.
Okay.
Okay.
मैडम मेरा ये जो बेसिक है वो मेरा क्लियर नहीं है, तो मैडम मेरे को कुछ क्लासेस लगी जैसे कि
मैं इसी वीक, हाँ जी, Nisha will call you. These are the extra classes for you because once I add you in the new group, I'm just gonna start it by this.
madam.
So I'll start it from the beginning, and these topics I'll surely repeat in that batch. So it will be a good revision for you too. So don't worry, whatever classes I'm taking, just take it. By this week only, Nisha will call you and she will let you know when we are gonna start next batch. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Bhaskar. Okay, any other queries, guys? No. Cool. Fine, guys. So good night and done for the day. See you on Friday then. Okay. Bye. Good night.